Okay, so I'm going to go over a question today that is helpful for SAT math prep. So it says the equation of a parabola is y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are constants. When graphed, the parabola reaches a maximum at -3, 8, which is equivalent to a plus b plus c. So we have a, -8, b, 8, c, 16, and d, 24. So the very first step that I would do is I would look at the part where it says reaches a maximum, and we also know that this is a parabola. So if we were to graph something that's going to look like this, okay, again, rough sketch, I know it's a maximum of -3, 8, so let's say that is right here. Okay, we have a parabola that does this. Okay. The very top of this parabola is called the vertex. For the vertex, we actually have a formula, and that is x is equal to -b over 2a. So our goal for this is to use that vertex formula. Try to put the equation in only terms of a, b, and c. So let's first plug this in. So x is given to us, that's -3, is equal to -b over 2a. We do not know a and b. I'm going to then get b by itself by multiplying both sides by 2a. So I have -6a is equal to -b. And then I'm going to divide both sides by -1. And I get b is equal to 6a. Okay, so I have b and I have a. I'm just going to let a remain a constant a. Okay, now I am going to plug in a and b equals to 6a into our standard equation for a parabola. So I have y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. I know y is 8. So 8 is equal to a. I'm leaving a as is. X is -3, so -3 squared, plus b is 6a, okay, times x, which is -3, plus c. C is something I don't know yet. Okay, so simplifying this, I have 8 is equal to 9a minus 18a plus c. So now I have a. I have b, so from here I should try to get an equation for c. So simplifying this, I get 8 is equal to -9a plus c. I would add 9a to the other side, and so I get c is equal to 9a plus 8. Okay, now remember it wants us to find which is equivalent to a plus b plus c. So I need to take a plus b plus c and plug in all the values that I found. So a, I'm just letting a, plus b, which is 6a, plus c, which is 9a plus 8. Okay, so if I combine all these terms, I have a plus 6a, which is 7a, 7a plus 9a is 16a, and then plus 8. So really, I have that this entire thing is equal to 16a plus 8. Okay, remember, this entire thing here is going to match up with one of our answer choices, so A, B, C, or D. So the next thing I need to acknowledge is that since my parabola is upside down, and I know that because it says reaches a maximum value, I know that my a value, in order for it to be upside down, has to be negative. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use what I got, a plus b plus c equal to, which is that 16a plus 8, and I'm going to set it equal to each of these values in the answer choices, and whichever one gives me a negative a, I know that that's the answer. So let's go ahead and do that. So off to the side here, I'm taking 16a plus 8 is equal to, and let's go ahead and set it equal to D, 24. Okay, remember, my end goal is to see which one of these will give a negative value for A. So I subtract 8. I get 16a is equal to 16. Divide by 16, a is equal to 1. Okay, that can't be an answer because remember we said a must be negative. Okay, then I check the next one. So I do 16a plus 8 is equal to 16. Subtract 8 over, so 16a is equal to 8. Divide by 16, a is equal to 1/2. So again, can't be that because I need a to be negative. Okay, again, 16a plus 8 is equal to 8. Subtract the 8 over, I have 16a equals 0, which means a equals 0. Again, 0 is neither positive nor negative, so it can't be this one. And then lastly, I'm plugging in this equal to negative 8, so I have 16a plus 8 equals negative 8. I subtract 8 to the other side, so 16a is equal to negative 16, which implies that a is equal to negative 1, which is what we wanted because we wanted our a value to be negative in order to turn our parabola upside down. So that means our answer here is A.